Hello friends, in this video I will tell you how to install Ubuntu 20.04 in your VirtualBox. Let's start it without any further delay. First of all, we need to download or install VirtualBox on our host machine. I already installed it on my host machine. Its interface will look like this. If you don't know how to install VirtualBox, go to your favorite browser. Type VirtualBox. The first link virtualbox.org, open it. So here is the download option. The Windows host. This is the Windows version. By pressing it, VirtualBox download automatically. I already download and install it. The next step, we need to install ISO file of Ubuntu. So open new tab and search for Ubuntu. Go to ubuntu.com. The download option is here. We need to download Ubuntu desktop version. By pressing this link, Ubuntu download automatically. I already downloaded it. So in VirtualBox we need to create new virtual machine. We click on new. Here we can type name of virtual machine. This is a machine folder location where all files save. So if you don't have good reason to change this location, leave it as default. It automatically detect type Linux and version 64-bit. So move to next. Here you can select the memory size given to host machine. So recommended memory size is 1 GB. I give 2 GB memory size. And then move to next. So create a virtual hard disk now. Leave it at default. If you read more, the description is written, and then press create. Then you can define hard disk file type. Leave it as default. So move to next. So you can select storage on physical hard disk. Dynamically allocated is default. Again you can read description here. So move to next. Here you can define hard disk size. The default is 10 GB. I will give 30 GB. And then press create. You can see here Ubuntu virtual machine created. So go to his settings. Go to system and then process. I will give 2 processors. And then go to storage. Here we can see empty disk. We can give ISO file here. Click on it. Choose a disk file. Here I select Ubuntu. And then press open. Here you can see Ubuntu 20.04 ISO file. All settings, leave it as default and then press OK. So the time we need to start our virtual machine. So here you can see Ubuntu virtual machine is started. It is checking our disk. Wait for complete. It is started. Ubuntu is running. We can install Ubuntu. Click on it, wait for a moment. Then you can select keyboard layout. I will leave it as default and then press continue. Here you can select normal installation. In other options you can also check mark on install third-party software. By checking this, all software will download automatically and then press continue. In next step, leave it as default and then press install now. Press continue. Here you can select your location and then press continue. In last step you will give your name, password and so on. And then press continue. In last process it can take some time to install its all files. Okay, the installation is complete. We need to restart our operating system. Click on restart now. Here we can give password that we set at installing process. So if you want to connect your online account, choose the option which account you want to connect, otherwise skip it and then press next. And then press done. It is the interface of Ubuntu. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.